Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about if businesses can open a Vanguard Cash Plus account. The Vanguard Cash Plus account is a cash management account designed to help individuals manage their cash while earning a competitive interest rate. It's a brokerage account that offers features similar to a checking or savings account. When it comes to businesses, Vanguard has a specific application for organizations. This suggests that businesses, including various types of organizations, are indeed able to open an account. However, it is essential to review the application and account details to ensure it aligns with the specific needs of your business. The account is a good option for businesses looking for a place to hold cash, earn interest, and have features like electronic transfers. It is important to note that the Vanguard Cash Plus account is a brokerage product, not a traditional bank account. While it offers many banking-like features, it may have limitations that a business might need to consider, such as the lack of a debit card or check writing, which some businesses may require. In summary, businesses can open a Vanguard Cash Plus account by using the organization-specific application. This can be a useful tool for managing business cash, but it's crucial to understand the account's features and limitations before opening one. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.